Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset network setting in Windows 11 to fix your internet connection. So as initial step you need to press on start menu, then go to setting, then in the left side menu go to network and internet, scroll down and tap on advanced network setting. Then after you need to scroll down and hit network reset option. So just tap on reset now. Once you're done with that, again go to start menu, press on power icon, tap on restart. This will fix your network setting in Windows 11 computer. And remember, this will erase all the saved Wi-Fi network and password, and also if your custom network configuration, VPN kind of thing, that also will be removed. You need to reconnect your Wi-Fi and re-enter the password once you connect with the Wi-Fi. If you're using VPN or custom DNS, you need to reconfigure them then after the reset. So please remember this, then after do the network reset option. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.